Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a web app with Firebase, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a web app using Firebase, start by visiting the Firebase website. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Once you're signed in, click on Go to Console in the top right corner. In the Firebase console, click on the Add Project button. Enter your project name and click Continue. You may choose whether to enable Google Analytics for your project. Select your preferences and click Create Project. After a brief setup period, click Continue to access the project dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the web icon to add a web app. Register your app by entering a nickname, and click on Register App. Next, Firebase will provide you with a configuration snippet. Copy this Firebase config code, as you'll need it later. In your code editor, create a new HTML file for your web app. Open your HTML file and include the Firebase SDKs in the head section. Paste the config code right after including the SDKs. Now, in the body of your HTML file, add elements for user interface components like buttons and input fields. To handle user authentication, navigate back to the Firebase console. Click on Authentication in the left sidebar. Enable the sign-in methods you want to use, such as email/password. Return to your code editor and set up authentication logic using Firebase Auth. Utilize Firebase's provided methods to handle user sign-up and sign-in. Next, to add a database, go back to the Firebase console. Click on Firestore Database in the left sidebar. Select Create Database and choose the start mode for your database. Once your database is set up, you can structure it according to your app's needs. In your code editor, implement logic to read and write data to Firestore. Use Firebase SDK methods for CRUD operations to interact with your database. Test your web app thoroughly in your browser. Ensure all user authentication and database interactions work as expected. Finally, deploy your web app using a hosting service or Firebase hosting. To do this, install the Firebase CLI if you haven't already. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.